Hi, I want to show you two different but awesome bottles. We have the Pogo water bottle and the Chef Star glass bottles. So the Pogo water bottle has the indication on the front of how many ounces are in it, how many are left. It's a beautiful color. It is dishwasher safe. And it is so easy to grab and go. You can have anything in your hands because it's got a little loop you can hook your finger to and just take it on the go no matter what you have in your hands. The Chef Star glass bottles are really nice because it really fights against any bacteria or nasty buildup that can happen sometimes with other bottles. It is perfect for when you are making shakes because the glass helps for it not to separate and stay nice and fresh, especially if you are wanting to make multiple shakes to drink throughout the day. They are so easy to store. You can take them on the go so easily because it has the strap on the sleeve. You can put them in the dishwasher, but it is also easy to wash by hand and store in your cabinets. So, two great options. It is up to you depending on what you are looking for in a bottle.